It's a KRES Spotlight, and we're talking with Allie Shoemaker, Director of Marketing for Socket, undertaking a huge expansion in central Missouri, going into the Boonville, Moberly, and Centralia areas. Now, this is a pretty big project, Allie. Why now? Why here?
These are areas that Socket has served for quite a while now. In some areas, we're not able to provide the speeds that customers are demanding. And so these are areas that we've identified as places that we have the capability to build to, where people are craving that faster internet, those faster speeds, and we want to be able to provide that to them. So we've seen an interest there, we've seen a demand there, and we'd like to be able to go in there and provide it.
You said you've already serviced this area. What speed and what type of service have you had in the past?
We have DSL available in Moberly and Boonville, and so, DSL, you're going to see speeds in those areas in particular. Probably they range in around 5 to 20 megabits per second. You might see more than that if you're lucky. But DSL is a technology that's limited based on your location, and so we want to be able to provide something where people are going to see those fast speeds, no matter how far away they are from the equipment. They want to see a fast, reliable connection that's not going to go in and out or maybe go down when it rains. They want to see something that's more stable and better able to keep up with everyone's technology needs today.
A lot of times with new technologies, there's bugs to be worked out. How reliable is this fiber?
Fiber is extremely reliable. You're not going to see the types of issues that you do with cable or DSL where you might have some slowdowns or some outages. Fiber is just an extremely reliable technology. It's really the best connection available today, and so that's why we've really invested a lot into bringing fiber to more homes and businesses throughout Missouri.
What type of equipment is the homeowner or business owner going to need?
We provide the equipment to get the fiber signal to the home. We actually go out and we run a new line to the home, so you're not going to be using the old coax cable or copper telephone lines. This is a new technology. It runs over a new wire. And so we run that to the home, and then the only thing that the homeowner might need to provide is a router, just like you use with your cable or DSL today throughout the home. They can lease that from us if they choose, or they can purchase their own. So that's really the only equipment that they would need to make the connection work.
Now, is it the same type of router that they used with their old system?
It's possible, but not likely. The fiber connection, you're going to want to see a higher end router to be able to deliver the types of speeds that you're going to get over fiber. So we recommend a dual band AC router, which is pretty much the highest capability router on the market today, so that it's able to take those really fast speeds and provide them throughout the home.
What do people need to do if they're interested?
They want to head over to socket.net/fiberhood, and that's where they can see all of the various expansion projects that we're looking at, as well as the ones that we've completed. And if their neighborhood isn't on that list, that's okay. Just go ahead and enter your address in, and you can express your interest. And that's how we determine which areas are the most interested in having our service, and we can look for clusters and pockets of interested homes and businesses, and that's how we decide where to expand to.
Now, when they go and sign up, is this a contract? Are they bound by this?
If they are in a fiberhood, which means they're in a neighborhood where we're evaluating potential expansion, we've set a sign-up goal. That is a commitment. We are looking for people to commit to buying service before we will build there. If they're just expressing interest, saying, hey, I don't see my neighborhood on this list, but I would like to have your service, there's no commitment or obligation that goes along with that. We're just looking for people to express their interest and request that we expand to their area as well.
Okay, so that makes sense. If fiber's already in the neighborhood and you say, yeah, I want it, then that's signing up. But if fiber's not in that neighborhood, then you're just saying, hey, we want it. Can you bring it here?
That's absolutely correct, yeah. At the point where we are evaluating potential construction and we're about to make an investment, that's when we want to know, hey, there's people here that are really serious and committed about buying it. And that's when we look for the commitment. We take a small $10 deposit just to show, yes, I'm serious and I want to buy this service. But if you're just saying, hey, we'd like it here in our neighborhood, there's no cost or obligation associated with that.
Thank you very much. Allie Shoemaker, Director of Marketing for Socket, on a KRES Spotlight.